Pattern matching with InstanceOf is the latest feature provided by Java 14. This makes code safe and concise, along with removing verbosity related to explicit casting of object to the particular class. Let's see this first on the OpenJDK website. So you can see that pattern matching for InstanceOf is JEP 305, and so in the summary you can see that pattern matching allows common logic in a program, namely a conditional extraction of components from objects to be expressed more concisely and safely. I'll show you one example on this. So let's move to Java Workspace. So I have a class, my class, with one method, custom search. So in this method, I'm getting one object, and I'm checking if that object is string or not. You can see that for before Java 14, what I need to do is I need to first cast this. Okay, and then after that I can check. So this is a typical usage of InstanceOf before Java 14. So what you have to do is you have to cast string first, and then you can use inbuilt methods of string inside this if block. So just imagine that you're already checking if object is instance of string. I mean, it is an instance of string. That's why it is going inside this, right? So why do you need to explicitly cast this to string? So this is the feature which Java has fixed, and this will reduce explicit casting like here in this line that we have given. So how can you fix this? So if you're using IntelliJ and you have used the proper settings, so it will show you option to make this as a pattern variable. So you can see that if I hover over the str, it will show me replace str with pattern variable. So if I click on this, it will make this to a pattern variable. So I'm using a 2020.1 version of IntelliJ. So this has a built-in feature which converts your explicit cast to pattern variables. So you can see that this is the fix with Java 14. One more thing that you need to be aware about is you cannot use this str inside else block. So let's say if I write else block, if it is not an instance of variable, I need to do something on this str. I cannot invoke that. You will get a compile time error on this. So this is not available inside else. If you have to perform some operation or extend this thing, so you can do it here in if statement only. Suppose I need to check if str dot equals then I can check here only. Okay, so this will make your code more concise, and it will be helpful for you. So let's move to our another example which we created in the last example of helpful null pointer exceptions. So in this case, let's see that in employee object I'm getting addresses, and I want to get address at 0th location, 0th index. So what I can do is I can call like object.instance of address, and I can create one pattern variable here, and I can check if you can see that along with pattern variable I can add other conditions also. So this is very helpful feature. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for other Java features.